Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a beautiful and amazing style crochet work, easy to make crochet work baby frocks designs ideas that are perfect for little ones. Hope so you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. From sweet and simple to intricate the elegance, we'll go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or expert crocheter, these frocks are perfect for baby shower, gift, or just because. We will show you how to crochet beautiful texture using yarn and different techniques. Learn how to crochet beautiful and stylish crochet baby frocks designs ideas, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color or embellishment to fit your little one's style. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful and stylish crochet baby frocks designs ideas. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, baby frock style and embellishments. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, ruffles, buttons, and many other accessories you use and decor your baby frocks easily. Add embellishment to make this project special. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or baby's name. And the best part, these crochet baby frocks are vintage and you can pair with anything. Try leggings them over once. Pair them with leggings, trousers, tights and many other things you use and decor. Pair. From the best result, we will use different yarn and a hook. Hope so you like this different pattern and different ideas. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, different tutorial and DIY tutorial videos. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video in different collection. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks.